So
Take it
Navya
or
spends
shoot.
most of her day like test
the farm.
driving tractors.
Is it
That's
true?
how colorful her life is.
It actually took me 3 days to build my first tractor.
And her father runs a really large listed company called Escorts Kubota, which does.
Agri machinery, tractors.
And you spend time on that too, right?
Yeah, around 60% of my time.
Because when I meet Navya, the questions I ask her is, how's manufacturing? What's happening with tractor business?
Interesting.
Where is Navya 5 years from now?
Personally, I would want to kind of build something of my own identity. I come from a lot and I'm very proud of that, and I also take part in that. I work with my father, like you said. At the same time, I think for me, it's always been important to have something that belongs to me.